Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete an in-progress Airbnb listing. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to direct your attention to the bottom navigation bar of your screen, look for and tap on the listings option. This will take you to a screen where all your current and in-progress listings are displayed, giving you a complete overview of your Airbnb properties. Once you're in the listings section, scroll through and locate the in-progress listing that you want to remove. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the correct listing, especially if you have multiple properties in draft mode. It's important to identify the right one before proceeding to the next step. Now, once you've found the listing you want to delete, press and hold your finger on it. This action will trigger a menu to appear, giving you several options related to that specific listing. The press and hold gesture is a common way to access additional actions in mobile apps, and Airbnb uses this same intuitive method for managing your listings. From the menu that appears, you'll see an option that says Remove Listing. Go ahead and tap on it. This initiates the deletion process for your in-progress listing. Keep in mind that this action is specifically designed for listings that haven't been published yet, so it's perfect for removing drafts or listings you've decided not to move forward with. After tapping Remove Listing, a confirmation message will appear on your screen. This is Airbnb's way of making sure you really want to proceed with deleting the listing, preventing accidental removals. The confirmation acts as a safety measure to protect you from losing work unintentionally. Finally, tap Yes Remove to confirm your decision. Once you do this, the listing will be permanently deleted from your account. And that's it. Your in-progress Airbnb listing has now been successfully removed from your account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.